Hey, welcome back to This Darn Chick. These are some earrings that I actually created from my Glowforge Aurora that I have, and these are actually going to be for Easter. They're made out of wood with a teardrop shape and a sunflower design. I did some of them in pink, some of them blue, and some of them in yellow. This was a very fun project to do. This was something that I actually had done on my time off of working, and just take a look at it. They are on my Etsy shop. So if you are interested in getting a pair, just go to my Etsy shop and I'll leave the link down below. Thank you for watching.